Hello, I'm Zarina, and today we'll be showing you how to install the latest Mac operating system, version 15, Sequoia. Launched on September 16th, 2024, it is Apple's latest major operating system release for Mac computers. It also marks the debut of Apple Intelligence, Apple's brand new personal AI system built directly into the OS. It also includes several redesigns and upgrades, including, but not limited to, iPhone mirroring, the second iteration of the Game Porting Toolkit, which allows for easier porting of Windows games, and window tiling similar to the existing tiling available for Windows. It also requires at least 12 to 15 gigabytes of disk space, and although official documentation does not specify minimum RAM, it is recommended to have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM to run. It is also optimized for Macs with Apple Silicon, meaning the computer should have an M1, M2, or M3 chip to host Sequoia.
Hello, I'm Jamar and I'll be talking about some of the main components of Sequoia. Installation is user-friendly if already on a macOS system, being accessible through the Mac App Store or a system update in the system settings. Otherwise, you would need to find a .iso file from an independent source. Diving deeper into the software perspective, macOS is a Unix-based operating system, adopting the operating system in the early 2000s. Sequoia uses the XNU hybrid kernel, which blends microkernel and monolithic kernel designs. Process management uses a hybrid scheduler with preemptive and cooperative multitasking, which ensures efficient and optimized system responsiveness. As for the file system, Sequoia still uses the Apple file system like past macOS's, optimized especially for solid-state drives, offering features like strong encryption, space sharing, and quick directory sizing. Lastly, with the addition of the new Apple Intelligence, Sequoia offers a new passwords application allowing users to safely and securely store all of their passwords in one place.
Hi, I'm Kyle, and I handle the operating system install for our project. First, we sourced the macOS disk image from GitHub and set up the virtual machine with 8 gigabytes of memory, 4 processors, and a bridged network adapter. Before starting the virtual machine, we edited the .vmx file to spoof Apple-compatible hardware, as well as adding values like board ID, hardware model, and others, since macOS checks for specific hardware before installation. After booting up, we used disk utility to erase and format the virtual hard drive, naming it macOS. We then launched the installer, accepted the terms, selected the new drive, and let the install run. After it was completed, we chose region and language settings, created a user account, and just like that, macOS 15 Sequoia was set up and running on our virtual machine.
That concludes our project on macOS Sequoia 15. Thank you for listening.